Audition number 3041.
My name is Angela Mwezi. I'm 23 years old and I live in Los Angeles, California. And if I could go on my ultimate road trip, I'd start in Los Angeles and I'd use the Pacific Coast Highway all the way up to San Francisco. California is so beautiful, and I can imagine driving through the Big Sur, seeing the ocean to my side. There's nothing better than that. And if I could bring anybody with me, I have to bring my best friend, Amy. We've been friends for almost 20 years and we know each other like the back of our hands. And I could imagine two urban girls driving through the big open road and having new experiences like surfing, hiking. It would be a riot to watch. And the reason why I think that I should go on this ultimate road trip is that I just don't want to have an amazing adventure, an amazing journey, but I want to share it with other people and make sure they get inspired to have their own ultimate road trip. But wherever I go and wherever I end up, I want to take the new 2013 Fusion Energy on my ultimate Fusion Energy adventure.